beg of you. Please don't hurt me. Don't hurt me, please. 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 Please.
I was in a dream. And in that dream, I saw you running and shouting in the evil forest. And you were pursued by an extraordinary vulture. It caught up with you and it came down. As soon as it came down, it turned out to be a woman carrying a pot of smoking fire on her hand. Tried to kill you, and I woke up. Please, be careful. Be careful where you go, who you visit, and who visits you. Do you understand what I am saying?
Yes, great seer. A woman?
We have to follow her advice. I pray the gods protect us from the hands of the evil ones.
You say, I have not done nor wished anyone any harm. And any person that wishes my family harm will not succeed.
He say, Nne, let me play my flute for you.
Ngwan. It brings joy and peace of mind.
Did you like it?
You know I always love it. It brings so much peace to my soul.
Thank you, Nne. Thank you.
What did you just do? Are you okay? Why would you do that? Are you mad or something?
Hey.
Don't ever try it again with me.
Imagine my wife. Huh? Can't you just accede my request and make me a happy man? Yeah? Well, am I not man enough to enter your promised land? Huh?
You're very stupid. Huh? Do you realize I'm your late brother's wife? And that I'm in mourning? Can't go quite look the wrong way. You're not to the wrong way.
Oh. More area to draw him. Not you.
Indeed.
Yeah.
You will hear the
Okay. You are in mourning, right? The other day I saw you with that, what is his name? Ndoka. Coming out from his hut. Yeah? You did not realize to do it because you were not in mourning. Assuming. Listen, Machi. You are my late brother's wife. I am your late husband's brother. And the eldest in this family. And by virtue of that position, everything my late brother had, you, this barn, all the farmlands, including the house, now belong to me. Yeah? So, play your cards well.
Else, please get out of my land.
Which is your land? Don't you understand what I'm saying?
Ojemba, get out of my land.
It's like you don't even understand what I'm saying.
You
Play
see,
your cards well.
You see yourself as a man. You think once you hold up your hands, you become a man. Please get out of my compound.
Think about it. Think about it.
Just go, please. Man. Okay, whoa. Yes, I'm here. I'm here.
No, where are you?
I'm here.
What is it? What is it?
I'm here. I had a nightmare. A very bad one.
Hi.
I found myself in a pit. In the forest. I tried to scream for help, but I couldn't because my lips were sealed.
That's a terrible dream, oh. Hey, we have to be very careful, oh. Especially collecting something from strangers. Hey.
All right.
Yeah. I wonder why Uncle Chemba seizes all Papa's farmlands and forbids us from farming on them. Now look at what we are feeding on.
My daughter, it's okay. He can have all the lands and everything. The gods are watching him. The important thing is that we're strong and healthy.
Mama, I wish I had my sight. I wish I had my sight. I would have dealt with him.
But you don't have your sight now. Please, try to be strong. You know you're my strength. Okay, ma? It's okay, stop crying.
I'm not eating again. I'm not eating again. I wish I had my sight. I would have dealt with him.
It's okay, just take it easy, Just eat, sorry, eat, Eat, Mom, eat. Go ahead and eat. Don't be upset with your uncle, eat. Eat now.
I'm not eating again,
Agma, I'll leave you and leave this place, I'll leave you. If you don't eat, I will get up and go.
Don't go.
I'm going to eat. Na chokwazi achonenya. Ozo ichobo onu gi. Nyenya nebody. Na chokwa muziko onu your body.
I won't dance. I won't dance.
You won't what? Are you okay? Okay, no, you're not dance.
So this is a dream after all.
You are having a bad dream, So, what kind of dream?
My father is forcing me to dance with him and his friends. And I said, no, I won't dance.
Wow, you will not dance. That is not a good dream at all.
Yes.
Dance with the dead?
Yes. I was...
Bow.
It was a terrible dream.
Oh, no.
It was a terrible dream.
And it's still affecting you?
Yes.
Why? Okay, kid.
Hi. Oh, this is bad. This is wrong.
Where's your...
I come on.
Come here. I'm not even...
Why are you shaking your head? Get your
Can we get water?
He came inside. We were talking, he looked up. Nmachi jam egwu. No, maybe from also. Oh, your couple.
This evil forest again. My husband dreamt about his father and friends forcing him to dance with them in an evil forest. A few days later, died. Now I've dreamt again about that same evil forest. Hey, gods of our land, please forgive me. Protect my daughter. If we have wronged you in any way, please save us. Save us from whatever danger that awaits us, please. Any danger looming out there, save us from it.
How are you? Please, can you come inside? Let me. There's something I want us to discuss.
Whatever you want to discuss, we can discuss it out here.
You don't understand. I want us to have a heart-to-heart talk. Let us discuss inside.
Whatever it is you want to discuss with me, outside here is the best place.
Okay. Where is that blind bat of a daughter of yours? Where is she?
Ojemba, I have had enough of your nonsense. How dare you walk in here and call my daughter a blind bat? Are you stupid? Are you mad?
No, I'm not stupid. I'm not mad. You see, as a matter of fact, my purpose of coming is to bring an end to all these insults. Let me make sure these insults stop. Yeah? Okay, sorry, I called her a blind bat. But that is by the way. So where is she now?
She went out.
She went out. Okay, in that case, we can always do something quickly before she comes. Guy, you want to go?
Again, I'm happy. No, you are home. Are you mad? Please leave my compound.
What are you talking about?
Please leave my compound.
Nmachi, you don't understand. See, you know.
Don't you dare touch me. Are you mad?
Nmachi.
Don't you dare touch me again.
No, calm down. Calm down. Wait. Don't let us. Take a believer.
Agma watching into you. Agma watching into. All the camera neighbor better one okay. Oh, Luleba.
Yeah. Okay, check on you.
What are you doing?
Hey! Hey, Fabio! Hey, rap! She's rapping me! Hey!
Are you
rap! She's rapping me! She's rapping me! Rap! Come on, help me!
This stupid man.
Help me! Rap! Somebody help me! Help me!
Say something.
It is Nmachi here. Nmachi, my late brother's wife. She invited me over for a discussion. When I came, she told me let us go inside. I followed her inside though. I did not know that she had an ulterior motive. Hey! When I went in, she said, hey, come and have an affair with me. Come on. I said, how can I have an affair with a woman who is still mourning her husband? It is an abomination. My own brother. Ha! I said no, it is arrow. It is arrow. I cannot do it. And before I could say anything, she held my autonomous command. She started dragging me, pulling me here and there. I ran out. I started shouting.
I heard your words.
I started shouting.
Everybody knows that you have nothing down there.
It's a lie.
Hey!
So how did you know?
My husband, your late brother, told me.
Told you what?
When you went to rape somebody's wife, they castrated you.
So you wanted to find out?
Why would I want to find out?
Look at it.
Wait. Hey, my people. We have all listened to Ojemba. Let us also listen to Omachi and hear our side of the story.
Yes.
Stop it!
I'll sing.
My people.
Oh no.
You listen very carefully. You heard them saying abomination.
Thank
You heard them say abomination.
Yes.
My people, we all know that the only penalty for this abominable act is banishment.
Yes.
So as the owner of this kingdom, Oba, the custodian of our culture and tradition, I hereby banish you and your daughter for defiling our land. Youth, take
Let the great seer. The gods, they have forsaken us.
Stop crying. The gods have not forsaken you. Akom, please, be strong for your mother. I would have sheltered you, but the whole village has been warned not to do anything with you. Be strong. Oh? Stop crying. The gods are with you. Take food.
Thank you.
Stop crying. Stop crying.
Dalunde.
We'll be on our way. Easy. I think soon we'll find them a place to rest. I think I can see a place.
Huh?
A place for us to rest.
Okay.
So this way, follow me. No. Just follow me. Easy.
Now that I have succeeded in framing my brother's wife, then do I inherit the properties so people won't talk? How did I get this bad and wicked? Or should I confess so they can be brought back? The whole villagers will banish me. And I wouldn't want that. I wouldn't want that.
You have done well for yourself by completing the task.
What about all the things that you promised me?
You will surely get them. Just give me a little more time.
Okay. I'll wait. I will wait.
Please, you have to be strong for me, Biko. Eh? You know we are in the forest. And I don't know where to get medication for you. Please be strong so that we'll find help. Eh?
I'm strong. Oh, I'm okay.
Please be strong for me.
I'm strong. I promise.
you, but save my mother. She's dying, please. Please, save my mother. Please.
Okay, I will help you. Ejike!
Papa.
Ejike, come.
What is going on here?
Ejike,
Who are they?
Come. Ejike, you don't need to ask him this. Let's save her first.
Where are you taking my mother to?
To my hut. To my hut.
Your hut?
Do not be afraid. I will never do you bad, nor leave you here.
Okay. Hey, help me with my stick. Help me with my stick.
Sorry.
Please help my mother.
Sorry, man.
Help my mother.
Don't worry.
Don't worry. Sorry.
Why are you following me? You are dead. And if you want me to kill you again, I will. Who are you? Why must you be following me up and down? What? What has the living got to do with the dead? You are dead and get out of my way.
You still do not want to confess.
Confess to what? Confess to what? Is it a crime to remove a useless life? Your life was useless. Get out of my way. No, I will confess. Don't give me that. Don't give me. Don't give me. Don't give me. I will confess. I will confess. I will
Don't worry. We'll be fine, please. Take it easy. Mama. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We'll be fine. We're almost there. We're almost there.
But you hold on.
She wants to say.
Sorry.
I don't think.
Please, you have to be strong for me, oh Biko. You have to be strong for me, Biko.
You don't have to say that. You must. You will. You will. Just believe you will.
Mama, nothing is going to happen to you,
The pain is too much. I didn't do anything. I was accused by my late husband's brother. He said I tried to rape him. Nobody wanted to listen to my own side of the story. They ostracized my daughter and I. I can't live down the shame, the embarrassment. I'm sorry. Akum, you have to take care of yourself. Look out for yourself.
Don't say like that. Don't talk like that. Biko, don't talk like that, Biko.
Take this. It will protect you. My spirit and the spirits of your forefathers will be there for you. Akum, don't forget your mother.
I will not forget you. I will not forget you.
Akum.
I will not forget you. I will never forget you.
Mama, please. Hold on.
Mama,
please.
Never. Ada, don't you think that Ako and her mother was unjustly banished?
What do you mean?
That's because the way Ochemba was reacting that day, someone with good spirit can see through his eyes and heart. I have these strong feelings that this woman is innocent.
Then why did she not defend herself? Please don't say that.
Ada, that is because no one gave her the chance to speak. Who knows how Akum will be coping? Chai, poor blind girl.
The deed has been done. Let's go.
I will confess. Hey! I will confess.
Nayo Jimba.
Hey, what is this?
Nayo Jimba.
What's going on?
Nayo Jimba again. What happened to him? Shouting, I will confess. What do you want to confess? Talk now, I'm here.
I'll confess.
Nayo Jimba. Again.
I will confess. I will confess. Talk now. Nmachi.
What happened to her?
What happened to Nmachi? Talk to us in chair.
Nmachi was innocent too.
Hey!
She was innocent too.
Hey! How? What happened?
Hey. Someone bribed me to frame her up.
Who is that?
To frame her up. It was
Hello, man. Hey! Again. It's here! Ha! It was who? Hey! So much was innocent. But the gods forbid. Ha!
Some people are are not the way you think they are. If I never know, be mad.
I wonder who took the money in my bag. No problem. No problem. Yeah? Why? Who took the money in my bag?
Nmachi, what is it this time?
I am looking for the money I kept in my bag. Yeah? Blind girl. Blind thief. Who took the money I kept in my bag?
I did not see your money, oh.
I did not see any money, oh. So I'm now a liar. Okay? I lied.
As you can see, we are just coming in. What kind of nonsense is this?
Gini Mezia, you are just coming in. Does that mean that I'm not looking for my money? Okay, Bieba, come here. Bieba, stand here also, sir. Blind thief. Stand here. Who took the money in my bag?
No, I did not see any money. I swear by the gods, I did not see any money.
Which one? You did not see any money.
Why do you hit her?
Why would I hit her? She took my money. She took my money. She's a blind thief.
She's not a thief.
Who took the money in my bag? You are leaving this hut right now. Now.
No.
Huh?
She goes nowhere.
Hey, how can I see? You've been sleeping with her. I've been seeing your movements. Like, yes! Like mother, like daughter. And this is the very reason you were chased out of your community. Now, both of you came here and you want to start my own husband. Okay? You want to start Omame. It will not work for you.
Ifesinachi, I want to tell you. This is my hut. And not your hut. What I say here stands. Therefore, she goes nowhere.
So this is my hut as well. And you're my husband. And I said she's leaving this hut now.
No, please, I have to go.
Go where?
You have done enough for me and my mother. Please, I have to go. Please, I don't want to be causing troubles between you and
going nowhere.
Akum, why are you crying? Mama, what is going on here?
What happened is that she stole my money. She took the money in my bag. She said she's blind, but she's a blind thief.
No, Mama. I was the one that took the money. I came back, I did not see food to eat. I have to take the money to get something for myself.
Ifesinachi, no there?
Please stop.
Did you hear that?
Get a message. So? Nah, she's leaving this hut. Here!
Ifesinachi,
yeah?
This girl goes nowhere.
She must leave
my hut.
It's my hut too. It's my hut too. And she must leave this hut. Yes! Nah, she's not my co-wife. She must leave this hut today.
She's going nowhere.
Oh, she's going nowhere. She must leave.
Mama.
She can't leave.
Don't talk. She must leave.
She's going nowhere.
Nah.
This is my hut.
And this is my hut.
Akum! 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 Aku! Aku, please come back! Aku! Aku, please come back! I was the one that took the money, please. Where are you?
Where are we going to see her? Where are we going to see her?
Aku!
We might follow the other road to see if we can get her. Huh? Okay,
Aku! Aku!
Ne. Your place will be my place. I don't have anyone to run to. No brother, no sister. You are all I have got. I will be here until death comes for me.
Akum, it's okay. Please forgive me. It was because of me my mother threw you out. Please, it's okay. Stop crying. Follow us back, please.
Akum, let's go back to my hut.
No, Nam. Please. You have done enough for my mother and I. I don't want Nne to see us here. Please, you have to go. Please.
It's okay, stop crying.
It's alright, I understand you. HK, who will bringing you food here, okay? HK, you heard me?
Yes, Papa. Please, stop crying, okay? Each time I see you cry like this, it touches my heart. Please, stop crying.
The problem now is,
Yes.
how do we find them?
My major concern is this. Who knows what they must have gone through? Moreover, are they still alive?
Yes, they are still alive. The other issue I have is the confession made by Ojemba that someone asked him to frame Nmachi.
Who is the person? Tell me.
Well, he was about to measure the name before he died.
Oh, hello. Chai.
It's okay.
No. It's not possible. It's not possible. Mba. No. No! Anya na ntị ada afụ. Anya eme eme. Anya na ntị ada afụ n'obodo ebe. Nwatakịrị li ahụ ọjụ anụ. Nwatakịrị ọbụla lile awọ. Nwatakịrị ọbụla lile awọ, ọ ga-ajụ anụ. Anya na ntị ama mfụ. Oge bụ nke a.
It's me, Ejike. I brought something for you.
Ejike.
Yes. Look at it.
Hey, thank you.
You're welcome.
Chai, you are the brother I never had.
Thank you.
How is Nne, Papa?
All of them, they are fine. Papa sent regards to you. Akum, there is this festival that is coming up very, very soon. Many people from different villages will attend. I would like both of us to go.
No. I don't want to go. Considering my condition.
See, don't worry. I'm going to take good care of you if you get there. Okay? You don't need to be worried. Alright, see, give me. Let me.
Okay. If you insist, I will go with you.
No problem. Please, let me help you and prepare this for you.
Okay. Hey, Dalu nwanne.
You're welcome.
Dalu. Ejike. Dalu.
Amalichang.
Dalu.
Kambia.
Oh. Dalu. Chimgozie gị.
Go and kill her. I am the tigress. I will finish that which I have started. Yes. Possible. No. Ntị ada afụ adị eme eme anya na ntị ada afụ n'obodo ebe nwatakịrị ile ahụ ọjụ anụ nwatakịrị ọbụla niile awụ ọ ga-ajụ anụ anya na ntị ama mfụ oge bụ nke a
Ejike.
Yes.
I am afraid.
Why?
I don't want your mothers to see us. Hence my people are coming for the festival too. I don't want them to see me.
See, Akum, she's not going to see us. And your people, they are not going to see us as well. Please, let's go. We are already late. Let's go. Okay?
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. They are not going to see us. See, hold. Let's go.
Akumma. Amalichangma. Amalichangma.
What happened to you?
I don't know.
You mean you met him lifeless like this?
Yes.
Oh my God.
And you didn't see anybody with him?
Nobody.
What could have happened to this small boy?
Hey, what is going on? Are you asking me?
No, I'm asking them now.
Yeah. Okay.
Do not touch him. You don't know if maybe something terrible happened to him. You don't do that.
What happened now? Stop. To see if you wake up.
And he's not even breathing.
What happened?
We just met him like this and then they said he's been like this since they got here.
He's not breathing.
Not breathing.
No.
Is that not Akum?
She's the one.
Is Akum? Not true. Akum? Hey, is Akum? Echechi.
Huh?
Who are those people?
I don't know them.
Akum, we have been looking for you and your mother since.
Yes.
We are the youths of Omompaka village.
Yes.
We have known the truth. Your mother is innocent.
Yes. Yes.
How then? How then? How then?
It's okay.
How then?
Please, stop crying. It's okay. Stop crying.
How then?
No way. I'm gonna come.
Echechi.
Eh?
I can see.
Eh?
Echechi.
Wait.
Echechi.
You mean you can see me?
Echechi.
Echechi! You can see me!
I can see!
Eh?
Hey! You can see! Echechi, you can see!
Your eyes have finally seen her. You shall die.
What is it again?
I will confess.
You will do what?
Confess.
I will confess.
Confess what?
Confess, Ivan.
I will confess. I will confess. Yeah. I will confess. I will confess.
You will confess.
I will confess. I will confess.
No. You don't confess.
Don't go please.
I will confess.
Onyiuke.
It all started.
Sister Nguma, you called me.
Yes, Nmachi, my sister. I called you. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
I overheard Papa saying that your husband people will be coming to the hut tomorrow. Is that true?
Yes, sister, it's true. It's true.
So it's true. Wow. Nmachi, listen to me. You're my sister. When they come tomorrow, I want you to tell them that you are not interested. Yes, that they should get out from the hut.
Sister? Why? Makagimizi.
Listen, Nmachi, you're my younger sister. You can't get married before me. Listen, the right way is me getting married before you. Yes. What will people say about me if you get married before me?
But sister, you know I'm not the god. I am not the god. And besides, I will do anything
anything you ask of me. But if for this particular one, Mba, sister, I cannot. It's difficult. I love Ebuna and I would love to get married to him.
You love Ebuna? You are ready to get married before your elder sister. Listen, I've been trying to talk to you in a very calm manner. Nmachi, don't dare me. If you get married before me, you automatically becomes my enemy. And you know you will not like me. Yes.
Sister?
Yes.
Okay. What's so bad one? If that's how you want it, so be it.
Nmachi. Just take a good look at me. At my age, I'm not married. People are saying all sorts of things to me simply because my younger sister got married before me. Is it that I'm not beautiful or what? And to think of it, I begged that ungrateful sister of mine and she refused. And now she is pregnant and I'm still yet to be married. Anyway, since she feels that she's wise, I will show her that I am the tireless tigress. I will so frustrate that marriage until she, her child, and her husband dies. That is what I will do. Hey, my sister. I was even coming to your house. Thanks to God that I met you here.
My own heart.
My sister, I'm very sorry. I'm sorry for everything I did to you. I overreacted. I shouldn't have done all those things that I did. I'm very sorry. Please forgive me. You are my only sister and we are supposed to live as one. Please.
Sister, I have forgotten all about that. They are all in the past now. Besides, if I don't forgive you, who will I forgive?
Nobody.
You're my sister.
Hey, thank you. Thank you. You have a good heart. Thank you very much for forgiving me. Very soon now, everybody will be calling you Mama Ejima.
You say,
hey, come.
One name more.
Hey, my sister, I miss you. I miss you so much. Hey,
I miss you more.
Hey, thank God I met you.
Uguma, the evil one, the charm you planted in your sister's belly to kill her child will not work.
Great one. Why? Why? Why won't it work?
The baby has the power of the old. She is your doom. The charm will only make her blind. But you must make sure that you will never set your eyes on her again. The day you do will be your last day on earth. But you can try your luck by killing her parents. But you only achieve that aim with Ojemba, sister's husband's brother.
But great one, I can't go back to that place. If I go back to that place, it will look suspicious. I can't go back.
Just take a little step. You will see him. He is coming your way.
My in-law. This one you visited our village. I hope all is well.
All is well, oh. I came to see my sister. I came to see my lovely sister. I've missed her. That's why I'm here.
May the gods be praised.
Say.
Ever since my brother married your sister, you have never visited her. That is why I'm surprised.
My in-law, don't be surprised. All things have passed away. All those things have passed. We've left them behind. This is new me. Yes.
Thank you for coming. That shows that blood is thicker than water.
Yes. Blood is thicker than water.
I'm still surprised, my sister.
Ojemba, a time will come when you shall do me a great favor.
Anytime, any day.
Abomination!
I'm sorry.
You are sorry.
It was envy and jealousy that caused it. I was even the one who manipulated your uncle to do what he did.
Hey!
Please find it in your heart to forgive me, please.
Please, don't touch me, please.
It is only the gods that will forgive you. You killed your younger sister and her husband out of jealousy.
It's okay.
Nemo!
It's okay.
Nemo!
It's okay, please.
Nemo!
Stop crying. It's okay.
Nemo!
It's okay. Please. It's okay.
It was envy, it was envy. Okwa envy constantly, Okwa envy. Okwa envy constantly, Okwa envy. Because Okwa envy constantly, Okwa envy. Because forgive me, because I'm sorry.
Olago, that's better because wicked people like you do not have a place amongst please, Igwe and the entire people of Umumpaka await your return.
Yes.
Come home, please.
Never. Not now. Not ever. Echechi, take me to my mother's grave.
Hold on. Akum, please forgive them. Maybe it's the will of the gods. Please forgive them. Wherever your mother is right now, she'll be very happy. Please forgive them. Please.
Please, now forgive us.
We beg you, please.
Akum, come with us.
Please come back to us. Forgive us.
I will see.
Yes. Please.
Please forgive them. It's okay, my sister. It's okay. It's okay. Never. It's okay. Please. Stop crying. It's okay. Please. Please. Please stop crying.
Never.
I'm here for you.
Hey.
Please stop crying.
Hey.
Hey,
it's okay. It's okay. Please, let's go home.
Hey, how can I leave my mother here? Hey,
everything is going to be fine. Okay? Please stop crying. It's okay.
Nemo!
Sorry. Stop crying. I'm here for you. I will take good care of you, okay? Please.